Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Chemical burns and accidental splashes are serious risks on ships where powerful cleaning agents, fuel additives, and hazardous cargo are handled daily. So knowing the immediate first aid steps is vital for preventing permanent injury. The moment a chemical contact occurs, time becomes your most precious resource because the substance will continue to damage the skin or eyes until it is completely removed. Your first priority is to protect yourself and others, so ensure you are wearing the correct personal protective equipment like gloves and goggles before rushing to help the victim. Immediately move the person away from the source of the spill and alert the bridge or the duty officer that a chemical emergency is in progress. If the chemical has splashed onto the skin, you must begin irrigation with water as fast as possible. Use a safety shower or a hose to flush the affected area with large amounts of cool running water for at least 20 minutes. While the water is running, carefully remove any contaminated clothing or jewelry that might be trapping the chemical against the skin, but be careful not to spread the substance to uninjured areas. Do not use a forceful spray of water, as this can drive the chemical deeper into the tissue or splash it into the eyes. If the chemical is a dry powder, you should brush it off the skin with a clean cloth before starting the water rinse, because some powders react violently with moisture. If the eyes are involved, the situation is even more critical. Guide the victim to the nearest eye wash station and help them hold their eyelids open to ensure the water reaches all parts of the eye. Flush the eyes continuously for at least 20 minutes while asking the person to move their eyes up, down, and side to side. If they are wearing contact lenses, they must be removed immediately. Do not attempt to neutralize a chemical burn with other substances like vinegar or baking soda, as the resulting chemical reaction can produce heat and cause a thermal burn on top of the chemical injury. Once the area has been thoroughly flushed, cover the burn loosely with a sterile dry dressing or a clean lint-free cloth to protect it from infection. Never apply ointments, creams, or butter to a chemical burn, as these can trap the chemical or interfere with medical treatment. Monitor the victim for signs of shock, such as a rapid pulse or shallow breathing, and keep them warm and calm. All chemical incidents at sea require professional medical evaluation, even if the injury looks minor, because some chemicals can be absorbed into the bloodstream and cause internal damage later. Always consult the material safety data sheet for the specific chemical involved to provide the medic with accurate information. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.